Here's how Logan Paul sold 5 million of NFTs in 2 days, and here's how the artist Beeple made over 6.6 million for one artwork with NFTs. And now you're probably wondering what the hell is NFTs and why is it so popular, why is it trending, and why everyone is talking about it. So in this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about NFTs and why you need to know about this and how revolutionary is this for artists in any field. So in the beginning of February, I discovered NFTs, and all of a sudden I got hit by all these headlines on the internet, and immediately it got me hooked. At first, it was actually very complicated and super hard for me to understand what is going on. But after listening to hours of clubhouse from NFTs experts and people who have been in the industry for a while, it was mind-opening. So I thought it would be great to share what I know with you guys. Also, a quick disclaimer, by making this video, I'm not claiming that I'm actually an expert in this whole field. In fact, I'm still learning every day. Every day something new comes up and you have to just slowly adapt yourself. So we're gonna go slow because I'm not gonna get into the technical side in this video. I'm gonna only talk about how NFTs work in general and how to understand NFTs. So what is NFTs? NFT stands for non-fungible token. Fungible means something you can actually exchange or replace, whether it is physical or digital, such as money, coins, or cryptos like Bitcoin or Ethereum. For example, if I give you 10 bucks right now and you give me two $5 bills, I wouldn't have problem with that. We basically exchange our money, but the value is the same. On the other hand, we have non-fungible, and that means it's a unique product that can be replaced or exchanged, but it could be traded. In another word, they are unique digital assets that can be function as collectibles. Some example of non-fungible things would be like trading cards such as Pokemon or sport cards, game items, digital art, domain names, and even ownership records for physical assets. To understand better, for instance, we have Mona Lisa painting, right? It's a unique piece of art that can be replaced. And you all agree with me. But you can also say, what if I just download the Mona Lisa painting picture and print it with high quality and all of that and hang it on my wall? Isn't it the same thing? Well, no. Because you simply don't own the original painting of Mona Lisa. Even handles on social media platforms such as Twitter and Instagram, for example, you have one unique username on your Instagram and no one else, even with 2 billion account on Instagram, can have that username. And these are all non-fungible assets, and same thing goes to NFTs. And personally, for me, what's really amazing about this is that we've all had tons of digital assets, but we never actually owned anything. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If digital ownership means an item belongs to you, then you also own them in some sense. But if digital ownership is more like an ownership in the physical world where you can actually move your stuff independently, this doesn't always seem to be the case with digital assets. Rather, you own these assets in a specific content, which may or may not moving them gonna be anything easy. For example, if you try to sell a digital asset as Lightroom preset pack on eBay, you will discover how difficult it is to actually move that product to something else. I mean, unless if you put in a USB flash and all that, but you get the point. And this is where the blockchain comes in. You see, blockchains provide a coordination layers for digital assets, giving the user ownership and management permission. Blockchains add several unique properties to non-fungible assets that change the user and developer relationship with these assets. All right, now let's chill down a bit. I know this was a bit complicated, but I highly recommend, if you don't understand, I highly recommend to go back and just listen to what I said. The first time I heard this, it went from here and it just came out there. You'll get it. So currently NFTs are built in Ethereum network, but as far as I'm concerned, there will be other options for other cryptos in the future, which makes me very excited about the future and what is coming for crypto art. One of the options could be Cardano ADA, which is one of my favorite cryptos, but so far Ethereum is the main and most popular cryptocurrency exchange factor in crypto art. So as an artist, by tokenizing your work, you both ensure that it is brand unique as your work and the actual ownership is blockchain managed. So we're gonna cut all the nerdy stuff and let me get to a point where how you can enter to NFTs world. There are creators and collectors. Creators create and mint their art, and collectors can bid or purchase their art and they become the owner of that art. In this case, both of them are winning, and here's why. Collectors can sell the arts they bought from these creators for profit. It's called secondary sale. And some collectors are already making millions with these arts. What's also great about this is no matter who owns your art and for how much collector will sell your art in the future, you will always get some kind of commission from 10% up to 30% depending on how much creators put their commission when they mint their art. I hope it's clear. So for instance, if you sell your art today for 1 Ethereum and after 1 year it would sell for 100 Ethereum, which is basically equivalent to $156,000 by the time I'm recording this video, you will be getting $15,000 only from the commissions, or depending on how much commission you put. So keep in mind, this is more like a passive income for your art. All right, so at this point, we pretty much understand how NFTs works in general. I hope you understand by now. But I also want to talk about the market a bit, which is right now it is trending with all these platforms, and there are new platforms coming in every day. And what's really popular right now in the market is digital art, 3D photo and videos with sound, GIF, or you probably call it GIF, and so on. All these stuff that are kind of related to gaming. But I truly believe that the market will expand to all these different field of art like photography, music, and if I'm not wrong, they probably already exist, which I don't know, it's happening so fast. So short and sweet, what I'm trying to say that this is very exciting. It's a new era of making money, selling your art, you know, your art being appreciated in the digital world and all that. It's a new world that we are getting exposed to it, and it's just amazing. I'm pretty sure sooner or later we will see millions of artists coming together with all these platforms, and we are in a very early stage, and that's what really excites me, because I am pretty sure the future is amazing for artists. Oh, and not to mention, I actually sold 3 pieces of my artwork on Rarible, so if you want to check out, or if you want to be notified next time I drop something, please make sure to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. All right, I'm out of talking. I talked a lot. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, next video will be all about the technical side of how to get into NFTs and where to start. So please stay tuned for that. Make sure you ring the bell, turn on the notification, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.